Hey everyone, welcome back to HelloVSTV. Today I have got a very interesting product to review for the first time, an all-in-one security solution, the Loxo 3-in-1 Video Smart Lock with Doorbell. If you are thinking of upgrading your studio or home door with a modern connected device, this might just be the perfect match. Straight out of the box, the Loxo feels premium. It's built from aluminum alloy and tempered glass, giving it that high-end modern look. Design is super minimal. You get the smart lock unit, mounting hardware, a rechargeable lithium battery, and the Type-C cable. It combines three essential functions in one: a video doorbell, fingerprint smart lock, and the doorbell chime. No need to buy or install separate system anymore. This product features 1080p HD video with a 145-degree wide-angle lens and night vision. The image quality is sharp both during the day and in low light. Motion detection alerts are sent to your phone instantly via the app. It even supports two-way audio, so you can see, hear, and talk to whoever at the door from anywhere in the world. You can unlock your door in 5 different ways: fingerprint recognition, passcode entry, app unlock, temporary codes for guests, traditional key. The fingerprint sensor is fast, about 0.3 seconds to unlock, and it supports up to 100 fingerprints. Battery life is solid too. One charge gives you about 60 days of usage, and the device notifies you when the battery is running low. On the security side, it uses AES 128-bit encryption and has anti-PIP passcode support, allowing you to type extra digits before or after your real code. Everything is managed through the TT Lock app, available on iOS and Android. The interface is clean. You can monitor entry logs, manage users, create custom passcodes, and receive live alerts. It even works with Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing for voice-activated locking. And best of all, no monthly fees for the video features, which is a big plus. So if you are looking to modernize your front door with top-tier security and convenience in one beautiful package, this is definitely a winner. It's smart, stylish, and solid. And as always, links are in the description below if you want to check it out for yourself. This is all about today's review. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. More reviews coming soon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next time.
Unlocked.